now that the scope or the snare here, the loop snare is working, this is just the NURB curve, so that won't render. We need to create a polygon. Now remember, the animation is actually on the rig, not the surface, or in this case the curve. So if we go back to -10, where frame -10, where we have everything set up, someplace here I have a circle. Let me quickly name that. I'll move it so that it's relatively close so we can see it a little easier. It's really not necessary to move it to have it work. So I'm going to hide the polygons and the joints here for a second so we can see the loops easier. Now with the loops selected, I'm going to delete its history, freeze its transformations, center its pivot. Then I'm going to hold down the command key and select, if I can, the base loop. Now when I select it, it looks like it disappears. It doesn't light up green, but it's selected. And now when I say surface, extrude, now the settings for the surface, the extruded surface, have been set like this. Okay, so I have a 640 count polygon that I'm supposed to generate here. Now you can see that. And I'm going to say extrude, and we can look real quickly if we put the polygons up, and now we've got the polygon surface we wanted, the polygon model now. Now the question is, all right, will it do what it's supposed to do? So let's come over here to the perspective window, and as I scrub through here, you can see the scope coming down, stops, and there you go. And it's probably hard to see at this scale, so let me zoom in. But you can see that's a polygon, not the NURB now that's showing. Okay, and so from this point forward, we can just continue to animate the shape blend, which is the curve inside, and it will then control that polygon.